we leave off at the day's highest point. I mean, this is looking pretty solid. And the high is 21,482. We leave off at 21,470 at this stage. So this is a very good looking screen. And if anything, the last hour, last 30 minutes, all looking even better. The Nifty Bank did see a sharp surge from the day's lowest point. But I mean, day on day, it was, nothing. 0.1% on the Nifty Bank. So still the underperformer. And, the Nifty private sector bank index is the only index today which ends in the red, thanks to ICICI Bank and Axis Bank, which are, the two meaningful losers on the Nifty as well. Guess what? The one big gainer today is once again the PSE index. The Nifty PSE index will come up on your screen. And what a day that pack has had once again. It's not limited to railway as a pack, but IRFC, REC, NHPC, PFC, IDBI, NBCC, HUDCO, SJV, and IFCI, NALCO. It's a long list of big volume-led gainers across the PSE space, and that is the top gaining sector in the markets today.
Well, this banking underperformance was restricted to the private sector banks because the PSU banking index, the Nifty PSU banking index, was up 1.9%. The top two Nifty losers were the banking names, ICICI Bank down 3%, Axis Bank down 2.7%. The gainers list was topped by commodity names, so Hindalco, Tata Steel. This is after China announced a reserve ratio cut of about 50 basis points. Hindalco, Tata Steel gaining, Dr. Reddy sees buying, and IT2 picked up pace. HCL Tech rallying 3.5% by the close.
Well, just some more names from the mid-cap arena. Some very strong result reactions on the upside. Puravankara, Indus Towers. Puravankara is actually closing with a gain of almost 12%. Pidilite's numbers well received by the market. So these were on the upside. But then look at a Karnataka bank down about 7-8%. We're in fact getting numbers from lots of other names like Laurus and UCO as well. Oberoi Realty has had another down day after a 9-10% cut yesterday, about 5% down today. And finally, Z Enterprises talks of this letter that Mr. Subhash Chandra wrote to the finance minister that was doing the rounds today. Anyway, after a 30% carnage yesterday, Z was up about 6% today. Overall, mid-caps pulling back and the large cap index ending with a gain of 1%. Nifty back at 21,465. But with that, it's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell. Many thanks for watching, but do stay tuned. Markets Forward takes all the action ahead.